Ever wondered why some people radiate confidence while others seem overwhelmed by self-doubt? It's not because they're perfect or have never faced failure. It's because they've harnessed the power of self-confidence. And no, self-confidence isn't about being flawless. It's about believing in yourself and your abilities, even when the odds are stacked against you. It's about acknowledging your strengths and embracing your weaknesses, realizing that they're not hindrances, but stepping stones towards growth. It's about understanding that you are more than capable of overcoming challenges and reaching your goals. So, how do we cultivate this powerful trait? It's a journey, a process that requires patience, resilience, and a whole lot of self-love. It's about laying a strong foundation, brick by brick, with each brick representing a step towards believing in yourself. Today, we embark on a journey to help you build your self-confidence. The first step on this journey is to recognize your inherent worth. Every individual, yes, that includes you, possesses a unique blend of talents, qualities, and experiences that make them valuable. You are not an exception to this rule, but rather a shining example of it. Your worth is not defined by external factors or comparison with others, but by your distinct attributes and accomplishments. In the vast canvas of life, it's easy to overlook your achievements, especially when they seem insignificant in the grand scheme of things. But it's essential to remember that every accomplishment, no matter how small or ordinary it may seem, is a testament to your abilities. It's a reflection of your perseverance, your resilience, and your potential. Whether it's completing a challenging project, mastering a new skill, or even overcoming a personal fear, these are all victories worth celebrating. Each success, each triumph, each moment of progress is a brick in the foundation of your self-confidence. By acknowledging and celebrating your achievements, you're not just boosting your self-esteem, you're also affirming your worth. You're sending a powerful message to yourself and the world that you are capable, that you are resilient, and that you are worthy. This sense of worthiness isn't limited to your abilities or accomplishments. It extends to every aspect of your life. You are worthy of love, respect, and success. You are worthy of opportunities and experiences that allow you to grow, to learn, and to thrive. So take a moment to reflect on your journey so far. Acknowledge your strengths, appreciate your accomplishments, and embrace your uniqueness. Understand that you are valuable, not because of what you do or what you have, but because of who you are. Remember, you are worthy of love, respect, and success. Next, it's essential to challenge negative self-talk. It's that little voice in your head that whispers words of doubt, criticism, and fear. It can be one of the biggest obstacles in building self-confidence. But remember, thoughts are not facts. They are simply interpretations of our experiences, and we have the power to control them. Negative self-talk can be incredibly limiting. It can make a mountain out of a molehill, creating unnecessary stress and anxiety. But the good news is, you can reframe these thoughts. You can turn "I can't do this" into "I can learn to do this." You can change "I always fail" to "I learn from my mistakes." It's about seeing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than roadblocks. Now you might be wondering, how can I reframe my thoughts? The answer is through positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are powerful tools that can help you change your mindset. They are statements that affirm your abilities, talents, and self-worth. They are expressed in the present tense and are positive in nature. Think of them as your personal cheerleaders, always there to uplift you when you're feeling down. When you practice them regularly, they can help rewire your brain to focus more on your strengths and less on your weaknesses. They can help you build a strong foundation of self-belief that can withstand the storms of doubt and fear. Start with simple affirmations like, "I am enough," "I am capable," or "I am resilient." Say them out loud, write them down, repeat them often. Feel the words resonate within you. Believe in them. Because the more you say them, the more you believe them. And the more you believe them, the more they become your reality. Challenging negative self-talk isn't about ignoring your flaws or failures. It's about acknowledging them, learning from them, and reminding yourself that they don't define you. You are more than your mistakes. You are capable, resilient, and worthy of achieving your dreams. Affirmations such as "I am capable," "I believe in myself," and "I embrace my uniqueness" can help build your self-confidence from within. Growth occurs outside of your comfort zone. This is a truth we often hear, but what does it really mean? Imagine your comfort zone as a cozy, familiar room. It's where you feel safe, where everything is predictable and within your control. But beyond that room lies an entire world, filled with new experiences, opportunities, and challenges. Stepping out of your comfort zone means venturing into that world. It means challenging yourself to try new things, to take risks, to learn, and to grow. It's about saying yes to opportunities that scare you, embracing the unfamiliar, and pushing your boundaries. But why is stepping out of your comfort zone so important? Well, think about it. When you're comfortable, you're not really growing, you're not learning or developing new skills, you're just maintaining. But when you step outside that cozy room, you start to stretch yourself. You start to discover new strengths, new talents, and new capacities you never knew you had. Now, stepping out of your comfort zone doesn't always mean doing something drastic. It could be as simple as venturing into a new hobby, learning a new skill, or even striking up a conversation with a stranger. It's about expanding your horizons, bit by bit, one step at a time. And yes, stepping out of your comfort zone is scary. It's uncomfortable. It's filled with uncertainty and the possibility of failure. But that's the point. It's in the face of failure and discomfort that we truly grow. We learn to adapt, to persevere, to pick ourselves up and try again. We learn to be resilient. So don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Embrace the discomfort, the uncertainty, the risk. Because it's in these moments that you'll find your true strength, your true potential. You'll find that you're capable of far more than you ever imagined. Remember, it's not about being fearless. It's about having the courage to face your fears, to step out, and to grow. Embrace the discomfort, for it is where true growth begins. Setting achievable goals provides direction and purpose on your journey to self-confidence. Goals are like the North Star, guiding you towards your dreams and aspirations. But the trick lies in setting goals that are within your reach, not too easy and not too hard, just right to push you a little further than you've ever been. Imagine trying to climb a mountain in one giant leap. Impossible, right? Instead, mountaineers break their journey into smaller, manageable sections, reaching one base camp at a time. It's the same with your goals. Break them down into smaller, achievable steps. Each step you conquer brings you one step closer to your ultimate goal. And here's the fun part. Celebrate each milestone. Treat each small achievement as a win. These small victories not only keep you motivated, but also build your self-confidence. They serve as proof that you are capable and can achieve what you set your mind to. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about the speed, but the steady progress you make. It's about showing up for yourself every single day and taking one step at a time towards your goal. This journey may be challenging and it may test your patience, but each step forward, no matter how small, is a testament to your strength and resilience. By setting realistic goals and working towards them consistently, you build momentum and confidence in your ability to succeed. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you on your journey. The company we keep influences our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It shapes our perception of the world and ourselves. Think of the people in your life as mirrors reflecting back at you. They can either magnify your strengths or echo your insecurities. It's crucial to choose individuals who mirror positivity, resilience, and growth. Individuals who encourage you to be the best version of yourself. These might be mentors who guide you with their wisdom, friends who celebrate your victories and stand by you in times of struggle, or role models who inspire you with their actions. They are the ones who believe in your potential, even when you might be doubting yourself. Their belief in you acts as a catalyst, propelling you forward on your path to self-confidence. They provide a safe space to express your thoughts, dreams, and fears without judgment. They encourage you to take risks, to learn from failures, and to keep striving for success. Moreover, these positive influences don't just tell you what you want to hear. They challenge you, push you to exceed your limits, and guide you towards personal growth. In the end, it's about creating a nurturing environment where you feel valued, inspired, and empowered. Positive relationships cultivate a nurturing environment where you can thrive and grow in confidence. Thank you for joining us on this journey to self-confidence. We've explored various aspects of building self-belief, from understanding your worth to setting achievable goals, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. However, the journey doesn't end here. It's an ongoing process, and it's important to remember that you're not alone. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more motivational messages. Engage with our content, share your thoughts, your challenges, and your victories in the comments section. Be a part of our community that believes in the power of positivity and the potential within you. Remember, you are capable, you are worthy, and you are not alone. Your journey to self-confidence is a path of discovery, growth, and resilience, and we are here to support you every step of the way. So, hit that subscribe button, share this video with someone who might need it, and continue your journey with us. Together, we can foster an environment of positivity, growth, and unshakable self-confidence. Let's make the world a more confident place, one video at a time.